Let me show you how to deal with files on the timeline. As you already know, any image that is placed on the timeline automatically extends the entire length of the timeline. But what if, for example, we have a dog that must to appear on the 20th second of our cartoon, and then on the 40th second to disappear again? Then we just grab by the mouse the beginning of the file with the dog and drag it to the 20th second mark on the timeline. Similarly, the end of the dog moves to the 40th second. Or you can drag the entire dog. Now our dog will magically appear on the 20th second of the cartoon, and on the 40th just as mysteriously vanish. Even easier, you can move files using the keys with brackets. Left curly bracket moves the files so that its beginning positioned on the current time indicator, and the right curly bracket moves to the current time indicator its end. If you want not just to move file but cut it, then use the brackets in the combination with the Alt key. Alt plus left bracket cuts beginning of the file, and Alt plus right cuts its end. Let's see all this in the practice. But first I have to show you some useful features which will help you to work quickly and efficiently.